Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll discuss the Lewis structure of NO2F. It's a chemical formula of nitryl fluoride. And to draw its Lewis structure, we will first count the total number of valence electrons. We have one nitrogen atom having 5 valence electrons, two oxygen atom having 6 valence electrons, and one fluorine atom having 7 valence electrons. That gives us a total of 24. For the arrangement of atoms, we will place nitrogen atom in the center and attach oxygen and fluorine atoms to it. Now we will place electron pair in between each atom for bond formation. Now oxygen and fluorine atom needs 6 more electrons for complete octet, so we will assign 6 to each atom. We have used all our valence electrons, but nitrogen here still needs 2 more electrons for a complete octet. So what we will do is we will move 2 electrons from oxygen atom here to in between oxygen and nitrogen. That will result in the formation of double bond, and nitrogen here will also complete its octet. Now you may ask that why didn't we move electrons from fluorine atom, and that is because it is the most electronegative element in the periodic table, due to which it holds the electrons very tightly and is reluctant to share its electron, unlike oxygen. So this is the final Lewis structure of NO2F, in which every atom has complete outer shell and zero formal charge. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.